Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Hussain, and in today's video we are going to learn a very important topic in JavaScript, the difference between var, let and const with simple examples. By the end of this video you will know exactly when to use each one and you will avoid common mistakes that beginners make. Let's get started. A variable is like a container where you store a value like a number, text, or even a list. It lets you reuse the value later. We use keywords like var, let, and const to declare this variable. Now let's see how they are different. Var is the original way to declare variable in JavaScript. Its function is scope, which means it's only visible inside the function where it's declared. If you try to access outside function block, it gives you an error. But here is a tricky part. Var hoisted to the top of its scope. Because of this behavior, var can cause unexpected bugs, especially in larger code bases. That's why developers prefer to avoid var in modern code. Let. Let was introduced in ES6 and its block scope. That means it only exists inside the block where it's declared. Let helps you avoid accidental overwriting and keeps variables more controlled. But remember, let allows reassignment. So use let when the value might change later. Const is also block scope, but unlike let, you can't reassign it. Use const when the value should not change after declaring it. But here is something interesting. If you create an object or array with const, you can still change its contents. You just can't reassign the whole object. Same goes for arrays. Quick summary. var old function scope, avoid using it. Let modern block scope, good for changing values. Const block scope can't be reassigned, best for fixed values. And that's it. Now you know how var, let and const work in JavaScript with clear examples. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.